Close the awning to within 10 inches. Then hand push the front bar close to within 6 inches and tie off the arms at both ends so it can't open. This will release the tension on the roller tube. Using a number 4 Allen wrench, remove the screw to remove the cassette end cap at the motor end of the cassette. Next, remove the 3 Phillips head screws to remove the cassette locking plate. Using a number 4 Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws holding the motor. Using a 13mm socket, remove the roller bracket from the square bar and motor assembly. Using a Phillips head bit, remove the override crank. Pull and remove the motor assembly from the tube driver and roller bar. Insert the new motor into the roller bar, aligning the colored slots in the black tube driver and crown gear with the fabric slot in the roller bar. Position the motor aligned with the limit holes and the hole for the manual override loop. Slide the roller bracket 1/8 inch towards the end of the square bar. Tap the bracket with a rubber mallet if necessary, then retighten the bolt and locking block to secure the bracket. Reinstall the override crank. Make sure the override crank is aligned with the pre-drilled hole. Retighten the screw to secure the override crank. Reattach the cassette plate using the 2 Allen head screws and washers. Thread into the motor mount bracket. Tighten firmly. Reattach the upper and lower sections of the cassette to the cassette lock plate using the 3 Phillips head screws. Reattach the cassette end cap using the number 4 Allen wrench and screw. Remove straps from both arms. Test awning for functionality.